What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with my boy Flacco, and today, guys, I got a call I've been waiting for a long ass time. Finally, I'm gonna go pick up what I've been waiting for after like probably a whole year. So first year I had to get it back and then wait. Then finally I took it in about 3 months ago, and I finally got the call back saying it's ready. You guys have no idea when I got the call, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. I was shaking, right?
Jumping.
Yeah, my heart was racing. I had like bubble guts. Like, dude, I don't know. It was like now we're on the way to Jerry's to pick up my freaking engine, and we're trying our best to post videos, guys. But it's hard, you know what I'm saying? And but we're always trying to come up with you new bangers all the time. My boy Flacco is probably gonna back his car again.
Let's do it.
Damn. So
take them off and reinstall it.
I know, we're getting super close to finishing my car. You know, be probably running by, I want to say next month.
Maybe.
Hopefully. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited, and it's been almost 4 years. You know what I'm saying? It's been 3 long years of just putting in work when I can, just because time is rough, you know, and I just never try to quit. Let's get it. Hitting Jerry's right now. Let's go. Yeah. So we're here at Jerry's Auto Supply. For your engine needs, come to this spot right here, guys. So we're here. I'm super excited right now. Alright, guys, we're back in the building. Got the paperwork right here, guys. It's been signed and approved. Let's go pick this engine up. Let's go. Alright, guys, I'm nervous now. Damn, guys, here it is, guys. Woo! You guys ready for this? Let's check it out. Bam! There it is, boys. We're finally back, almost back in the game. You guys will get a better view on it once I put it in my garage. But so far, I'm satisfied. Even though I asked for a blue timing spell.
Okay.
Yeah, it's still a gate spell, but oh well. I just want to get my car running, you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of you guys would be like, why didn't you like build this engine and all that? Honestly, I just want to get my car running. It's been 4 years and I don't got the funds for all that stuff, you know? Later on, I mean, of course, I'll probably upgrade turbo and all that. But for now, I just want to get started. We had to come to Harbor Freight, pick up an engine stand. Finally got that done. Picked it up thanks to my boy Flacco over here. Like always, I treat my workers good, so I'm gonna take them out to buy them a meal or something.
A meat or what?
A meal.
Oh.
Does he want some meat? Alright, guys, we're back in the building, back in the house. We got the baby home. You guys want to keep in touch with this build right here? Make sure to subscribe down below. Hit the like, comment, share. Please, it helps us out. You know what I'm saying? The more you guys help us, the more videos we put out. And we got the baby right here. All right, guys, we're about to take this engine finally off the truck. Check it over here. This took us a while to build. Engine hoist from Harbor Freight. $50. 20% discount. Members only.
What are we doing? Did you just bring that over here?
Let's put it over here and turn it this way.
Push it. The other bucket. That needs to push it. Whoa.
Yeah, easy.
Hey.
Alright guys, we never did this before in our lives. We're trying to figure out how to put this on this. 3.
Don't you need 4?
Goes one here, right here, and right here. But there's one there already. Guys, I don't know what the hell to do here, bro. We got a problem now. We got a swinging engine in the air.
Just flip it up. Just put it on the ground. Put it upward, and then we'll tie a chain around, and then we'll pick it up, and we'll just stand it.
Over there.
And you work on like that for now.
We just bought this shit for nothing.
Put it right there.
Put it in.
Oh my.
There. With the cap next to the space.
Alright guys, bad news. We didn't figure it out. I was gonna use Flacco's knowledge, but he didn't know either. So we'll get back at you guys tomorrow. Peace. What's up guys, we're back at it again. Finally gonna try to put my engine on the stand over here. Yesterday we just couldn't do it. We were in a rush. My brother had to leave. But today, I actually went down to Ace, got some bolts. And hopefully we're gonna bolt this thing up. Let's get it. Here it is, the beauty. Alright guys, yesterday I couldn't get it down. I don't know how to put this on that. It's my first time doing it. But thanks to a good friend, Tony, for letting me know how to actually put this part on there. So give big shout out to Tony. Make sure to subscribe to his channel. He also got his channel of SRT content. Make sure to give him a like, give him a follow, and subscribe to his channel. His link will be up here. Let him know. I saw videos where they take this thing off, and they have to put it on here somehow, you know. Let's see how it goes, guys. Okay guys, now we're gonna try to put this on the stand. Hopefully it goes good because it's only one shot here. Hopefully I'm doing it right. Don't judge me. In there. Okay guys, it's in. I'm gonna try to spin it, try to get it straight. And I'm gonna do one more spin. Oh God, look at this. Look at that, bro. Be very careful with this, guys. This thing will slide off in the middle of the spinning. You guys almost saw a disaster right there. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay guys, let's try this another time. Attempt 2. There it is, guys. It's up. Kind of sketchy, but it's up there. Let me know what you guys think. for watching this whole video. You can see we're finally done. Can't believe I actually have this engine after a whole year of just waiting for it. I want to give a big shout out to all the homies that helped me out with my build. Shout out to my wife for approving some of my funds. I couldn't do it without her. I'm glad that it's back. You got a little backstory on this car. If you guys are new to the channel, this car right here, I had it for about 5 years. 2 years, I sold it. Got an Evo 8. Evo 8 messed up, sold that one. And I actually bought this car back in a year. About 8-7 months, this car messed up. You know, lost compression on the engine. I knew I was doomed already, you know what I'm saying? That's bad news for everybody. I decided to pull it out. Was scrolling through forums, Facebook groups, how to remove an engine. First of all, it's my first time doing it. And then I came up with Brian's project, which he had a shaved bay, a purple one. Everybody knows about it. I loved it, and it motivated me to do it, which was a big task. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a big project to do. And big shout out to everybody who shaves their bays and wire tucks them, because it's something you don't play with. But finally, guys, the engine's here. Want to see more content? We got this beauty here, freshly painted. I'm about to cut and buff it this week. I just got the materials. I wanted to be like close enough to show car ready. I've done everything myself on this car. That's what makes me proud of it. From all the body work, paint, I did the wire tuck, I relocated the fuse box. I'm also gonna do my engine harness tuck. After that, I just gotta wait pretty much for my new clutch. And this baby should be up and running by next month, guys, hopefully. So stay tuned. I'm trying to get it running. That's my goal. If you guys wanna see this project running and see how it looks in the sunlight, because it hasn't seen sunlight ever since I painted it, stay tuned, subscribe, make sure to always come back, because we're dropping them bangers. For those of you that have been demotivated, I'm telling you guys right now, don't stop. Just keep pushing. Take your time. As long as you're doing something a little bit at a time, you're doing progress, you know, and every little progress counts. And for me, I had a bunch of times where I just got demotivated and wanted to stop my project, wanted to part out, get rid of it, didn't want to deal with it. But then at the same time, you know, it's that passion and love you got for the car. Came back, fixed it up. I just want to see it finished. That's my main goal. For those of you guys who are struggling right now, keep your head up. Times are hard. They seem hard, but it's not. Let's get off that negative mindset. Stay positive, guys. Keep pushing your dreams, all right? Yeah, guys, if you like this content, make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button, because it helps us out. Share it. The more you share, the more videos we make. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, guys. Stay safe. Stay positive. Have a good weekend. Peace.